So let's talk about the best grail VEVE NFTs. So right now you can see this is my personal opinion on the best performing VEVE NFTs, which are FA Batman, FA Superman, and FA Spider-Man. There are many reasons why these are the grail VEVE NFTs that will perform the best in my opinion. I think the best case scenario for these collectibles, in my opinion, is around 80x returns, which will happen only if there comes some billionaires on the app. And I know this sounds quite unrealistic, but crypto as it is unrealistic as well. So the best case scenario 80x, base scenario 50x, but the lowest ROI that I think will happen to these collectibles is 30x at least. And basically the main reason is that everyone in this world knows who is Superman, who is Batman, and who is Spider-Man. You can ask like 6-year-old, 10-year-old, 20-year-old, 100-year-old, the people that are dead right now, they all know who are these superheroes. Like ask your grandma who is Spider-Man, Batman, or Superman. They will understand and know these characters. And I understand that many people right now think that the sentiment of the VEVE is quite low, but when the bull run comes and the euphoria comes, the NFTs will go insanely high. And right now you can see how high we are right now, and comparing to 2021 and 2022, the NFTs are still dead. And despite that NFTs are dead, we can see on the VEVE app and on the OpenSea, open marketplaces, that the grail NFTs are being bought quite heavy. And this is the main reason why I think the next bull run and euphoria that will happen probably in 2024 or 2025 will be like 50 times or even 100 times bigger than it was in 2021. And I think the ecomi and VEVE team will be ready for this. They will do all the marketing, all the advertising. Even Marvel, I think the Marvel started to advertise VEVE collectibles was after the bull run ended. So this time it will be the perfect storm, and that's the main reason I think it can do like 80x on the VEVE collectibles, because you need like at least one billionaire that just sweeps the floors. But always be cautious, because if you buy NFTs that have low edition number and are really like expensive, for example 100 or 200,000, because when NFT gets that expensive on the closed market, it's really hard to sell it because the volume drops down. And this is the main reason why these top VEVE NFT grails, Spider-Man, Batman, and Superman, will go really high because the edition numbers are quite high. And if you participated buying VEVE NFTs in 2021 and 2022, you probably saw that community of Reso Batmans is much smaller than community of Todd Batmans. And this is because the edition number is like 8 times smaller than the Todds for Resos. That means that you get fewer holders for the NFT and smaller communities are built around these NFTs. That's why I think it will be much more valuable to buy these like bigger edition NFTs, which are FA. I think the FA NFTs are the grails, and yeah, these 3 superheroes are the top tier. But always remember, follow the main coin, which is Bitcoin. When Bitcoin drops from, for example, 100k to 60k, or from 100k to 70k, the whole market will dump like few days later. My advice is, when you feel the euphoria in the VEVE NFT space, when you see like everyone's winning and everyone's happy, that's when you sell. That's basically when I sold in 2022 as well. I just saw everyone was happy, and that's just not realistic. And yeah, I will make more videos about the VEVE NFTs. I will just deep dive on what's on the app. I have not really been checking the app for the last few months. And one more thing I want to say about Batman. In the real world, in the physical stores, the Batman collectibles sell out first. They sell out before Superman and Spider-Man, and Batman has accessories. He has like Batmobile. I think he has like motorcycle or something like that. He has that little weapon that he throws, like that bat weapon. I don't know how it's called. And this is the reason why retail stores sell out Batmans the fastest, because he have accessories. And Spider-Man has nothing. Superman has nothing. And This is the reason I think Batman takes the #1 place. But looking at the fact that there is only one FA Superman could get like 50x, 80x quite easy. But then again, the Batman is the #1 and the first ever NFT on the VEVE app, which is insane. I think the whole Batman Series 1 drop is like the grail of the VEVE app. And yeah, that's basically my opinion. This is not a financial advice. I will make more videos about the comics and level 2 grails on the VEVE app, so stay tuned. And there is so much to talk about the ecomi token as well, so subscribe, press thumbs up, and thanks for watching.